Hello guys, do you want to know how to create this type of video?
You're quiet again.
Focus builds men. Distraction ruins them. Okay, stay tuned as AI Masterclass Tutor will be explaining to you guys the apps that you need to create these kinds of AI videos for free.
I want to show you guys the apps you will need if you want to create this kind of realistic AI story movie or any kind of video. You are just going to go to your phone. If you want to learn how to create this kind of videos, AI videos, you go to your phone, then you download these following apps. So if you already have the apps, you can update them in order to get maybe new features. So the first one is the famous ChatGPT. So you go to your App Store or Play Store. So this Play Store, so you just search ChatGPT, and just okay. Let's try this first one. So look, you can see something here. Can you see this one? ChatSmith, not this one. It's not this. It's this particular one. This ChatGPT. You can see I already have it, so I'll just have to update it. So I'm done with this. The next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to open the app. So you have to open. So you're going to have something like this. So if I want to do anything, I will just type it here. So that is it. So I'm not going to be using it in this video. I'm just showing you the apps we will need if you want to create that kind of video you just watched. So that you download the app. In our next class, I'll show you how to use the ChatGPT. So let's go to the next app. The next app is BlockAI. So you go back to your Play Store or your App Store. So we're going to search. We're going to search for Grok. So you can see BlockAI. So just click on it. You can see I already have it. I have a lot of AI apps in this phone. So I just have to update it. You can update. So I'll just open it. So you can see it also looks like a ChatGPT. So I think maybe this can also do some work ChatGPT can do. But one thing about ChatGPT that ChatGPT don't do moving images, which is animation. So ChatGPT don't animate images. So I'll show you how to use this particular AI. I'm just showing you the apps. We use ChatGPT to generate let me not be speaking grammars because most of you watching this video may not even know about AI videos yet. So let me just show you the apps first. So let's go back to App Store or Play Store. Let's download the next one, which is CapCut. So you come here, we are going to search CapCut. So let's search for CapCut. Let's search for CapCut. You can see it here. So just click on CapCut. The one we need is this particular one, this CapCut 2026. So I'll just have to update it my own. I'll just update this one now. So this is the CapCut. So you have to open it. You can see I'm already using it. I have a lot of projects inside, a lot of videos I've done inside. So I'm also going to show you how to use this and the BlockAI, which is this, and our ChatGPT, which is this. So I'm going to show you guys how to use these apps to create good videos for your content, adverts, anything AI videos. Just name them. We are going to simplify all for you for free. So what you need to do now is just to subscribe to this channel. Stay with us. This is class 1. We'll do class 2 very soon so that you don't miss that class. Then follow each classes. So before we get to class 5, you will start creating AI videos. That is good AI videos. So I'm not just bringing a particular AI videos. I'll just start creating it. How to create this AI video? No, I'm going to teach you guys from scratch. I'm going to show you guys how it is actually done. This is what people pay money for. All those courses people pay money for, that is what I'm giving you guys for free now. So what you guys need to do for me is just to subscribe to the channel, then support the channel, so we all are good to go. So see you guys in our next class, which is class 2. Thank you for watching.
Wow, you will love this.